Introducing Higgsfield AI, the revolutionary platform designed to supercharge your ad campaigns with effortless power. First, let's dive into generating attention-grabbing visuals after logging into your Higgsfield account. Navigate to the Creative Studio section here. You'll find a visual generator tool. Simply input a few keywords describing your product or service by euro, for example, luxury watch, sleek design, nighttime cityscape. Higgsfield AI analyzes these terms and presents you with a range of unique, high-quality image concepts. You can refine these by choosing styles like photorealistic, minimalist, or abstract, and even specifying color palettes to match your brand identity. Select the concept that resonates most, and the AI will generate stunning visuals ready for your ads. Next, we'll craft persuasive ad copy that converts within the Creative Studio. Locate the Copywriter AI. This tool excels at understanding your target audience and marketing goals. Enter details about your product, its key benefits, and the specific emotion you want to evoke. Perhaps excitement or trust. You can also specify the platform for your ad, like Facebook or Google Ads. As the AI tailors suggestions accordingly, Higgsfield will then generate several compelling headlines and body copy options. Review the suggestions. Looking for clear calls to action and benefit-driven language, you can even ask the AI to regenerate options with a different tone or focus. Finally, let's optimize your content for maximum campaign performance. Once your visuals and copy are finalized, move to the Campaign Optimizer module here. You'll upload your created assets. You can then select your target audience demographics, interests, and even their online behavior. Higgsfield AI analyzes this data and suggests optimal ad placements and targeting parameters to reach the most receptive audience. Can also advise on budget allocation and A/B testing strategies for different creative variations. By following these AI-driven recommendations, you'll significantly boost your ad campaign's effectiveness and achieve your marketing objectives.